There you go, guys, fully strapped in. We're here with RUSTY8, straight out of Christchurch, burnout car.
Good on you.
Muscle Cars Universe. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Muscle Cars Universe. This is Andy reporting from Chrome, New Zealand 2022, and I'm about to jump in for a shotgun ride in this loud, rowdy and rusty 58 Belair named RUSTY8. These guys came all the way from Christchurch to attend the event and make sure we all get to see a good dose of burnouts and power skids. The setup here is really neat, with a 418 cubic inch racing engine, a 671 blower on twin 650 CFM carbs, dry sump, adjustable suspensions and running on aviation fuel. The owner is pretty happy to report that the interiors are still stock. I mean, the seats and the door cards at least. Everything else has been modified to turn this beast into a tire shredding monster. Pretty cool side exhaust here with loud backfires. You'll hear it really soon, guys. But enough with the talking, let's bring in the action. Thanks, man. Yo! We here. Just put those on. I mean, it's pretty cool. You're still a lot safer than a seatbelt. Yep. There you go, guys. Fully strapped in. We're here with RUSTY8, straight out of Christchurch. Burnout car.
Good on you.
She wants to go on video. Go.
What's your motor quickly?
418 tube, dart with lead.
Sure.
got used to it?
It's about to get louder.
How is it?
4 zoomies out each side.
Alright.
Gonna take a couple wider laps.
All the way from Christchurch, baby! Hey, holy moly, that was a hell of a ride, man.
I had to keep it tame because I've been told off, so
Yeah, I know.
yeah, no, you get the idea.
We get the idea, yes.
I got told off for getting loose, now I'll get told off for speed.
Yeah, here it is like that. I bet it doesn't happen down south, isn't it? We're just happy to see it.
Yeah.
Easy. Look at that.
So you leave the electric fan and water pumps on,
Yep.
brings it down.
Yeah, what's your... Oh, 200 is pretty cool.
Yeah, that
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Would you got a like a large radiator or dual?
fairly big radiator, but big quality dual fans, electric fans, and this is why it's set up on the other battery, so we can have it all turned off and the water's still circulating and
Still
cooling,
going through.
and then it starts on the other battery and charges up.
Fair enough. Man, what an injection of adrenaline. I'm like, my heart is pounding, man. Seriously. Guys, oh my god. I wish you could feel what I felt. Look at that. Holy.
Good ride?
Oh my god, man, that was unbelievable. My heart is pounding. Yeah, he's such a driver. Oh,
I don't
wow.
for a big car, right?
Big car, yeah, and
Yeah.
he's just throwing it all over the place, left and right.
That's cool.
My
That is very
God.
cool. Awesome.
Thanks again, man. I'm kind of deaf from this side.
My granddaughter put the window up from a second ago.
Yeah, yeah, I bet she did. That's right, guys. Sleep when you're dead. Oh, what an experience, guys. That was beyond what I could possibly imagine. And he's a hell of a driver, just chucking left and right, no power steering. Good old Rusty. So why you got two batteries again?
So this one starts it.
Yeah.
This one runs my electric water pump, my fuel pump, all that sort of thing. And oh, actually, sorry, no, it's mainly the fans and the water pump. So when I come off a burnout, I leave the water circulating.
Yeah.
And if I go and watch the rest of the burnout comp, that might go flat. But then it just starts on that battery. And then there's a wee switching unit out of a motorhome there, which charges this one up.
It's like a truck.
Very much so, like a motorhome.
Yeah.
Yep.
Pretty much. So you say you're still running on 98 pump fuel?
Avgas.
No,
Oh, race gas.
aviation gas, yeah. Yep. Jeez, that's neat.
I'm down to my last 40. But a burnout uses 12 to 15 litres.
I bet. Oh man. Wow. Big thumbs up for RUSTY8. What a great experience, guys. I am blown away, seriously. I really want to thank the team behind RUSTY8 and their friendliness and availability in taking me for a ride and showing me how it's done. And a big shout out to them for coming all the way from Christchurch to attend Chrome 2022 edition. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Feel free to follow RUSTY8 on Facebook at this address, and I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.